Groninger USA proudly introduces the lite-C. The new Groninger lite-C, the second machine in our Lite series, is a versatile system that processes components with a variety of shapes and sizes, providing more features to enhance production in a single system than competing closing systems on the market. The lite-C's setup wizard allows you to access a multitude of capping functions that are capable for torquing in a reverse movement for complicated threads, two-speed torquing for long threads, and carefully handling dead stop components. Additional functions include cap alignment, final positioning, and more. Not only limited to round caps, the lite-C can also process snap-on caps, threaded caps, square caps, and tall or short caps. The lite-C processes closures with a diameter of up to 100 mm and can close components up to 250 mm in height with simple, repeatable, and servo-continuous movement. The lite-C's servo-controlled stroke and torquing movement allows for hundreds of different setup possibilities for torquing, positioning, and press-on caps. The torquing axis offers control and feedback for every single closure, guaranteeing 100% torque check. Every closure undergoes a detailed verification process. This process ensures that the required torque is reached, the required retention time is maintained, and any anomalies present during torquing are instantly captured. The cap check station checks each cap for presence and correct positioning. Failure of any of these points results in a reject, and the data will be displayed on the HMI for troubleshooting. Troubleshooting takes place instantaneously without referring to operator manuals. When a fault occurs, an alert is displayed on the 12-inch touchscreen HMI. The lite-C's troubleshooting system diagnoses problems, shows machine components that are affected by the problem, as well as provide potential solutions to resolve the problem. With multiple languages available, our industrial HMI offers user-friendly setup and operation menus, as well as a recipe management system with the ability to store hundreds of recipes and revisions. The lite-C offers quick and easy changeovers and minimal change parts to keep daily operational costs low. With a flexible puck or puckless system, pucks can be used to handle small or unstable components, and larger, more stable components can be handled without pucks. The Lite series provides Groninger quality without space constraints. Our customizable conveyor system is easy to expand or reduce, allowing maximum optimization of space on the production floor. We deviated from the traditional light stack by surrounding our Lite series machines with LED lights that indicate various conditions. Our Lite series machines fill the gap between tabletop and fully automated systems. Now Groninger technology and experience are built into small-scale production systems for the cosmetic, consumer health care, and pharmaceutical markets. The Lite series was designed, engineered, and manufactured from our U.S. offices located in Charlotte, North Carolina, for the R&D, private label, and contract manufacturing sectors of industries